Yeah.
I'm gonna go to that little pond. Hopefully I don't get murked over here. Oh, I hear something big.
Are the aloes and the rexes still fighting?
Wait, this is not... Wait, I found another patchy.
Oh shit.
Is that you?
Yep.
That
Okay.
water's really low.
He's a balanced patchy, and we both wiggled at each other.
This water's real low.
Sun's getting real low, big guy.
Yeah.
There. That put me a little bit on half, so I'm good right here.
Can I get my water a little higher?
Get my stand back.
Yeah. That's fun. You know what, I can wait to get more water. Someone's getting called an ass kisser in chat.
Fucking ass kisser.
Here, make a little chirp for me. Okay, want to make sure this was you. I'll pick up a glowing shroom. Just
The other patchy's just like full purple.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, you hear that? He's over here.
Where's that little Rex?
I found him.
Nice.
It's the same Dasp as earlier.
You know what, Kita? You make me want to play Grow My Bird.
They're fun.
Dude, I'm just scared of that bone break, man.
Something else is
Oh.
picking shit over here. Oh, it's a little spiky guy.
Rob, you crossed right with my front of my charge. Were you still charging when I hit you? Oh, it's Kentro.
No.
Yep.
Oh, dude, I was gonna say that's
Oh,
the
we got
ultimate
we got
way.
a trike coming in. Trike is coming in.
Maybe they'll help us out?
I don't
Hoverboards,
know. Maybe.
If they help
Come on,
us out,
Kentro.
they can do that, and then I'm killing the Kents after.
Yeah, oh, look at the Kentro, look at the Kentro. He's looks like he's trying to back up his tail through there to hit him. I think he is gonna help us. Hello, whoever joined.
It's
It's your daddy.
Hi, Dad.
so daddy, son.
You know what? Hold on, Pub. Keep him distracted. I have an idea.
He's gonna stick a finger in his butthole.
Is he exactly what I'm doing? Is he looking at you?
Yeah.
Come into the...
Okay, the trike's coming in over here. Get ready.
I hit him.
Oh! Well, no,
Oh,
he's
no,
going
try-
for the
try-
Dasp.
yeah,
He's
try-
going for the
hit
Dasp.
my
It's
stick.
okay.
War is that
Fighting
you?
that Dasp.
Are you fighting an EO?
No, we're fighting a Dasp and an EO came and it's starting to fuck it up.
Oh, nice.
This is why I
Emphasis
don't.
on fucking it up.
That's why I don't group up with people that are random. They always hit you.
Hey,
This is
Come on, get him!
Fucking
Fight him,
guy
kick his
almost
ass.
Killed me. Kill that Kentro. Oh,
Where
wait,
you guys at? Where you guys at?
I would run away.
Oh
little.
shit! Oh shit! Get off of his butt!
I'm fine.
Poke
I can
him.
always just run through here. He actually can't get me through here.
Where
Come
are
on,
you guys?
guy, kick his ass. Yeah, he's showing. Kill him!
Young Grove.
Yeah!
Come on, man. I bought you. Oh, baby EO.
I'm just healing. And
Where'd he go?
I'm almost done making food for the crotch gremlins.
He's
Cross
freaking
coming.
out. He's showing. He's running for home cave right now.
Who is?
The Dasp.
How's the Dasp alive? What?
Because EO kept getting broken. Did you kill it?
Oh, I killed him. Oh wait, who did?
You did.
Yeah.
Did you peck him and kill him?
Killed it.
What's keto on?
A bird.